fam, pride will not start your snowblower. Example, there I was, minus 10 degrees in the middle of winter, and it's the first snow, and I am trying to turn on my snowblower. It will not start. It will not even turn over. I am pulling and pulling and pulling to try to get it to start, and it just won't start. In comes my wife. I love her so much, but she gave me every suggestion under the sun of what to do. Now, was she right? Was she wrong? My pride could not hear it. I snapped at her, and then we played the silent game. Well, that was all pride, because in the end, let's be honest, a lot of times our wife is right? There's a saying out there, and I did not heed that saying. Here's the truth. Pride goes before destruction, a haughty spirit before a fall. Proverbs 16:18. Pride doesn't keep us stuck. It makes us look foolish. Humility is what frees us to learn, listen, and grow by, through, and with God.